Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Embrace Wellness. My name is Sweetie Addo. Hand washing is one of the best ways to protect your family and yourself from getting sick. But germs can not only spread from people but also from contaminated surface or items that is frequently touched by other people like toys, door handles, mobile phones, tables, chairs, etc. Now, your safety is in your hand and that is being ensured by Steri 360, a product that I'll be reviewing today, which contains a hand wash, a hand sanitizer and a surface disinfectant. Steri 360 is a hygienic protection that your loved ones need. It is scientifically superior and clinically proven for over 80 years in infection control from Germany. Now, it is also a specialist solution for over 600 infection-causing germs and microbes. The formulation of Sterilium is awarded as the brand of the century as per German standards and are based on WHO recommended, that is World Health Organization recommended, alcohol content and meet the international gold standards in alcohol drops. This kit is highly recommended for mothers, caretakers, medical practitioners, travelers, post-surgical patients and if you have some elderly people at your home. So without further ado, let's get started with the video, and if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. So let's get started. This is the kit of Steri 360, which is German engineered protection from all infection causing germs. It contains hand sanitizer, gentle body and hand wash and surface disinfectant and is manufactured by Raman and Well Private Limited. At the back of it, you will see that Steri 360 kit is from the makers of Sterilium, an awarded brand of the century by German standards. It contains a Sterilium gel hand sanitizer, which is of 50 ml. Steri Skin Body and Hand Wash, which is again of 50 ml, and Steri Smart Surface Disinfectant, which is 50 ml as well. The shelf life of this product is 2 years and it is priced at Rs 396. For a 100 ml pack, it is priced at 594 rupees. This formulation is used by doctors and surgeons across 57 countries and a must-have for new mothers, travelers, children, recovering patients, elderly people, healthcare and wellness centers. They have also mentioned the recommended usage of hand sanitizer, body and hand wash and surface disinfectant, that is before touching babies, before and after meals, traveling, using public areas or restroom, then bathing even newborns, post-surgical bathing and surface disinfectant for gadgets, doorknobs, toilet seats, furniture, kitchen, baby toys, etc. In the leaflet inside, you will find that Steri 360 comes from the makers of Sterilium, a renowned name in the medical history that has eliminated all emerging infection-causing microbes for the past 54 years. It is manufactured in India by Raman and Well Private Limited in collaboration with Both Chemie, Hamburg, Germany. It also speaks about hand sanitizer, body and hand wash and surface disinfectant, and it is designed for mothers, travelers, caregivers and elders, and at the back of it you will find a beautiful message which says spread love and not infections. The first product is Sterilium Gel Hand Sanitizer. It says that it hydrates and evaporates quickly and gives soft non-sticky hands and lasting protection. It has World Health Organization recommended alcohol content. At the back of it, you will see how to use the product. The composition, that is for each 100 grams, contains ethanol of 85 grams and skin protectors. It has a shelf life of 2 years and it opens and closes with a click. Squeeze a small amount of Sterilium gel on your palm, then briskly rub hands together covering all areas of skin for 30 seconds for a lasting effect of up to 3 hours. The next product is Steri Skin Body and Hand Wash. Now, this particular product prevents dryness, hydrates your skin, and there is no perfume or color, and it is paraben free. It maintains the skin natural pH, that is 5.5. At the back of the bottle, you will see how to use it, the composition, a caution has been given, and the shelf life of this product is 2 years.
The best part about SteriSkin body and hand wash is that it can be used bathing even newborns and post-surgical bathing. This is a must-have travel kit if you're traveling with your child. Squeeze SteriSkin hand and body wash on wet hands and rub gently on skin for 30 seconds covering all areas. Rinse with water and dry thoroughly. The next product from the kit is SteriSmart Surface Disinfectant. It causes no damage to surface and it can be used on any surface and microbe, and it activates in 25 seconds. This can be one of the great products to use as this comes from the best disinfecting making products. At the back of it you will see how to use the product and where to use it. It can be used on all surfaces except fabric, paper and cardboard. The composition is mentioned and the shelf life of the product is 2 years and it comes in a spray bottle. Use the surface disinfectant at least once a day to avoid cross-contamination through frequently touched surfaces like doorknobs, flush handles, toilet seats, taps, toys, etc. Spray SteriSmart on surface to disinfect it and wait for 25 seconds for it to evaporate. These products protect the three main areas susceptible to infections: hand, body and surfaces. Using them will allow you to touch your loved ones or surfaces around you without hesitation and explore daily life freely. So guys, I hope you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. For your convenience, I'm listing the product details in the description box below. Till then, stay safe and embrace wellness.